Hi everyone, my name is Asaf from Maisel Homes. It's my absolute pleasure to be bringing to the market 585 Willowick Crescent, located in a beautiful neighborhood of Stonehaven Newmarket. This house features a beautiful open concept layout, upgraded appliances, 3 bedrooms, finished basement, and a beautiful backyard backing out to the park. This house is conveniently located very close to Magna Community Center, GO Train, parks and trails. Please take a look inside.